Yun o, ang daming motor dito ng KTM guys. Nakikita nyo dito? 1390 Super Duke R Evo. Bagong bago, wala pang bukas. Kitang kita nyo yan ha. Ito legit na unboxing to guys. Makikita natin, first time dito sa channel natin, itong 1390. Hahawakan na natin siya, konting-konti na lang. Si Kuya Milan, saka si Kuya Jen, pinubuksan na nila. Ramdam nyo ba yung excitement nito? Sa lahat ng motor, ito yung pinakahihintay ko talaga. Kasi when I saw this in EICMA last year, na-inlove talaga ako dito sa motor na to. Ito na yung magiging pangalawang asawa ko. Ayun na siya. Ayun na siya. So ganito mag-unboxing dito. Makikita nyo. Makikita nyo siya. Bigla na lang siya kaangat. Joke lang. Ayan na. Woo!
Hey, hey, hey! I gotta cut to the chase. Yeah. Everyone, give me some space. Okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Let's go. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Right. Impact, I'm ready to brace. Okay. We fall down and land on our face. Yeah. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave. Right. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, 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 boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave. Okay. Hey, legends don't die anywhere.
Nakikita nyo kung gaano kaganda tong motor na to. Kung nagandahan kayo dun sa 990, mas mukhang Bruce ko to. Bawat kurba niya, it's very muscular itong ano na to. Itong motor na to. Very muscular. Ito talaga mukhang lumilipad. Nakikita nyo yan? Single side swing arm. Kita nyo naman, no? Hindi tinipid talaga. Ito talaga yung pinaka nila. Pinaka high-end talaga ng motorcycle nila. Palit na lang ng Acra. May available na Acra na kaagad dyan. Naghihintay. 2-cylinder V-twin. Yung kanina 4 lang yung tech pack, di ba? Ito 6. May motor slip. May quick shifter, of course. Adaptive brake light. May track pack. Of course, yung suspension pro niya. And then engine brake control. Yan. Pero parang ang baba nito. Hindi ba sasabit to?
Hindi. Nasa loob pa siya.
Ganun ba? So, itong motor na to, pag in-unbox nyo, wala na kayo kakabit. Except yung, I think yung side mirror na lang, no?
Yes.
Yung side mirror na lang ikakabit nyo. And then, the rest, ready to go na siya. Sobrang, itong The Beast na to, sobrang brusco niya, sobrang muscular. Actually, ang ganda ng upuan niya kasi sexy ng upuan nito. It looks cushy. And then, yan.
Look at us grown men ogling at the beautiful
I know.
motorcycles.
So, this is keyless. Ito yung remote. Ano to?
Parang riding option.
Riding option?
Yes.
Brembo. Hindi tinipid tong motor na to. Kita mo naman yung gulong niya, Michelin pa. It's very nice.
So yung rear suspension is fully adjustable electronically.
Electronic. So for more information about this motorcycle, of course, KTM PH, you can go to the dealership of KTM. Check these motorcycles out. Napakaganda ng mga motor ng KTM, guys. Ito yung mga matagal ko na hinihintay. Ito yung mga nakita natin sa EICMA last year that I was telling you guys about. And finally, here in the Philippines. And ano pang hinihintay nyo? Puntahan nyo na. Tingnan nyo. Napakaganda nyan.